guys, welcome back to my channel, Afrocentric Anatomy TV, and I am doing a makeup video today, and this is one like I've never done before. I've never sat and talked to you guys, so today I'm just going to throw a little something together. And Alright guys, first I'm going to take the Burt's Bees. This is the face moisturizer that I've been using, and I've been loving this. This is like, so the first thing I'm going to start with, I moisturize my face. Now I'm going to use the Becca primer, and I'm just going to put this primer just on my pore area, which is basically my T-zone area. Now I'm going to take the baby skin primer, and I'm going to put this around the rest of my face to smooth it out when I put on the foundation, so the foundation can... Alright guys, I'm going to be doing the foundation. I'm using the 360 Fit Me foundation. Top. Alright guys, my foundation is blended. Now I'm going to use my LA Girl Conceal in Beautiful Bronze. This is the only concealer I like to use under my eyes. I do have some other ones, but this is my favorite. Don't need a lot.
Is he losing?
Now I'm going to take the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep, and I'm going to set my under eyes. Now I'm going to take the Black Radiance Concealer Stick in 8003, and I'm going to contour my face. Contour that nose. We'll let that seep in a little bit, and then we'll start to chisel my face. And I'm not on here to teach anybody how to do makeup. Listen. Chisel, chisel, chisel. And as you continue to play in your makeup and learn makeup and watch, of course, makeup tutorials, you will get better. So I've come a long way. I used to really... Now I'm going to take my True Complexion Black Radiance palette. I like this palette a lot. It has a contour, sculpt, and a highlight powder. You know I use this a lot. But now I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to set women that are my complexion. That way I could, you know, buy my products according to what they have, because I am a dark-skinned woman. So I like to watch Destiny Godly, of course. The Mind Catcher. I forget what her name is now. I like watching. Alright guys, I'm gonna go in with this blush. It's called Redwood, and I got this from Camera Ready Cosmetics, and I got this like years ago when these were like $2. So it's a matte blush. It has a little shimmer in it, but you probably won't be able to see it. So I'm going to take a little bit of that. I'm going to apply it to my cheeks. Moving it back. That's how I do mine. Patting in and moving it back. Patting it in and moving it back. So now I'm going to take a really gentle and simple baked bronzer. And this is in Rose Gold. And this is from Black Radiance. I'm going to put that on top of my cheekbones. Like up here in this area. You don't see that, girl? Splendid. Alright guys, we put the highlight down, so now I'm going to take, I'm trying to find my blush brush. I don't know what I did with it. The brush that I put blush on, wipe it off a little bit. Now we're going to kind of blend it in, just kind of pat it like that and blend it into that blush a little bit. Now I'm just going to take a Jordana eyeliner, or lip liner, and I'm going to line my lips, and we're going to get ready for the lips, for a nice fall lip. Ooh. Alright guys, I'm going to use this MAC It's in Carnivorous. It's a retro matte color. I haven't used this yet. I haven't even ever. So guys, I got my lipstick on. It's called Carnivorous from MAC. And now I'm going to spray my face with the Fix Plus. Something I forgot to do. This is a sample of the Smashbox Superfan mascara. I really don't like wearing mascara, but comes with the territory. I don't do lashes, so we're gonna do this. I got this as a sample from Sephora. So I got a whole bunch of them. So